Hey there, I put up this cattle panel yesterday all by myself and it was super easy and very safe to do, and I'm going to show you how to do that so that if you're on your own you can also put up one of these cattle panel trellises in a very easy way. And if you are in a relationship, you should still use this method because it'll prevent that cattle panel from bending back and smacking your partner in the face and leaving them with a tiny little scar by their eye. True story. So whether you are single or in a relationship, this is the easiest way and the safest way and just the way that's going to help avoid all those fights with your partner to put up these cattle panels. So what you need to put this cattle panel up safely are tie straps, ratchet straps, I think they're also called. These are going to save you from that cattle panel moving back and forth and having to have your partner stand there as you're like a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, a little bit here, a little bit there. They're just easy. It's going to save you time. It's going to save you that relationship fight. It's going to help you do this stuff on your own so that you don't even have to ask anyone to help you. You just need these things. Instead of trying to drag a floppy 16-foot panel around, you're going to want to make that arch right away and use those straps. So hook the S-straps onto the ends of the panel, and then you can adjust the straps until you've got your panel folded together enough that it has created the arch and you can easily drag it through your garden gate and drag it all over your garden, even over logs. Once you have it where you want it, flip it over, stand in the arch, and kick out the sides and adjust the straps as needed. Now this arch is still flimsy and will fall over without support. So if you have the support of a lover, they can hold it for you. If not, use the T-posts to hold the arch up by propping them against the sides. Now you can decide how wide you want the trellis to be and measure the width of it. I went with a 5-foot wide base because I'm short and I want to be able to easily pick food from the top of the trellis. If you make your base smaller, like by 4 feet, obviously the arch is going to be a lot taller. So you can decide how big you want your arch to be and use a measuring tape to figure that out. Your trellis will likely stay there forever, so walk your paths and make sure the placement will work for you. If you're not 100% sure, move it to a different spot and see what it looks like over there. When you do this on your own, you can be as indecisive as you want to. Try out 10 different locations. If your partner is holding the arch instead of the T-posts, this is when their patience might be running out and they might be starting to get annoyed with your indecisiveness. After 37 minutes of moving the trellis around, if your partner is still patiently and lovingly holding the trellis for you, they're a keeper. Never let them go. And if they are getting annoyed with you, I told you to use those T-posts. Lesson learned. After you've selected the perfect spot, start digging those T-posts in. If you have amazing, rock-free soil, your posts will go in super easy. Congratulations, I'm so happy for you. If your soil is super rocky like mine is, you're going to need these digging bars to help wedge around the rocks and create space for your T-posts. After a few hours of back-breaking digging, your T-posts will be in and you can secure your post to the trellis with clips or zip ties. And that's it, you're done. Now you can gaze proudly at the trellis that you put up all by yourself and envision it covered in whatever you want to grow on it. I'm growing kiwi berries and cucumbers on mine. If you're on your own, I hope this encouraged you to give this a try. And if you're partnered up, I hope this method helped avoid an argument or an injury. Happy growing, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.